Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of our furry friends. We're going to uncover the 15 things dogs love the most. Some are more playful, some are more laid back, some are obsessed with their tennis ball. But there are some core things that most dogs absolutely love, things that tap into their instincts and make their tails wag like crazy. So, stay tuned to find out if your dog's favorite made the list. Let's go. We're starting with a classic fetch. You throw it, they chase it, they bring it back. It's about the instinct. Dogs were born to chase. So when you see your dog's eyes light up as that ball soars through the air, you're seeing pure joy and instinct in action. Plus, all that running back and forth, that's what I call a tired, happy dog right there. And a tired, happy dog is a well-behaved dog. For a dog, a walk isn't just about stretching their legs, it's about exploring the world with their noses. Let them sniff, let them explore, let them take in all those fascinating scents. Ah, the belly rub. When your dog rolls over and offers you their belly, they're saying, "I trust you completely." A good belly rub releases endorphins in your dog's brain. So go ahead, give that belly a good scratch. Let's be real, everyone loves a good treat, right? But for dogs, it's more than just a tasty snack. The key is to use treats wisely. Make them earn it. It'll make the treat even more valuable and strengthen your bond. Sticking their head out the window, feeling the wind in their fur. For a lot of dogs, a car ride is pure joy. It's a chance to experience new sights, new sounds, new smells. Just make sure your dog is safe and secure. Dogs are pack animals, which means they're naturally social creatures. Playing with other dogs isn't just fun, it's essential for their development. Chewing is a natural behavior for dogs. The key is to give them appropriate outlets for their chewing needs. Not all dogs are natural-born swimmers, but many absolutely love the water. If you're introducing your dog to water, start slow and be patient. Dogs are social creatures who crave affection just like humans do. Cuddling releases oxytocin, the love hormone, in both you and your dog. So make time for snuggles on the couch, belly rubs while you watch TV, or just letting your dog hang out by your feet while you work. Teaching your dog tricks isn't just about showing off, although that's fun too. Dogs love to learn, and they thrive on the positive reinforcement that comes with mastering a new skill. Let's face it, some dogs just love to dig. It's an instinct that goes back to their wild ancestors. You can redirect this instinct by providing your dog with a designated digging zone. That high-pitched squeak might drive you crazy, but to a dog, it's the sound of pure joy. Just remember to choose durable toys that can withstand some serious chewing. Have you ever noticed your dog lounging in a patch of sunlight, soaking up the warmth? Just make sure they don't overheat, especially during the hotter months. A good game of tug-of-war can be a fun and engaging way for you and your dog to bond. It allows them to exercise their jaws, release energy, and tap into their natural instincts. Teach your dog to drop it on command, and don't let the game get too rough. While some dogs might try to wriggle their way out of bath time, many actually enjoy being groomed. Make grooming a positive experience by using gentle techniques, rewarding good behavior, and maybe even adding in a little massage to help them relax. Thanks for watching. So there you have it, 15 things that most dogs absolutely love. The key is to pay attention to your dog's individual preferences, their body language, and their reactions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content about our furry friends.